Hey everyone, imagine driving on a busy road and suddenly your car refuses to shift gears. You press the clutch, try shifting again, but the transmission won't respond. You check the error codes and there it is, P0912. This code indicates a low voltage issue in the gate select actuator control circuit. If left unfixed, it can completely disable your car's transmission. In this video I'll show you where the sensor is located, what causes this issue and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is DTC P0912? DTC P0912 means the gate select actuator control circuit is operating at a low voltage. This actuator is responsible for gear selection in automatic and dual clutch transmissions. When this circuit gets weak or faulty, the actuator can't function properly, causing shifting problems. Common symptoms of P0912: hard or delayed gear shifting. Transmission warning light on, car stuck in one gear or neutral limp mode activated, check engine light on. Sensor and component location, very important. Gate select actuator location, mounted on the transmission housing, near the shift control mechanism, usually positioned close to the shift solenoids. Transmission Control Module, TCM. Location, typically found near the battery or inside the engine bay. In some models, it is under the dashboard or inside the fuse box. Wiring, harness and connectors location, runs from the gate select actuator to the Transmission Control Module, TCM. Wires may be routed along the transmission casing or under the vehicle. Always refer to your vehicle's service manual for exact component locations. What causes P0912? Weak or low battery voltage. A failing battery can cause low voltage to the actuator. Faulty gate select actuator. If the actuator is damaged, it won't receive or send proper signals. Broken or corroded wiring. Damaged wires can cause low voltage supply. Bad Transmission Control Module, TCM. If the TCM is faulty, it may send weak signals to the actuator. Blown fuse or bad relay. A faulty fuse can stop the actuator from working properly. How to fix P0912. Step 1. Check battery voltage. A weak battery can cause low voltage issues. Replace if needed. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for damaged, corroded, or loose connections. Step 3. Test the gate. Select actuator. Use a multimeter to check voltage levels. Step 4. Scan for additional codes. If other transmission codes are present, the TCM might be faulty. Step 5. Replace faulty fuses or relays. A simple and inexpensive fix that can restore power. Final words. If you ignore P0912, your car's transmission may stop shifting altogether. Fixing this early can prevent costly repairs down the line. For more OBD-II error codes, check out these videos. P0690, ECM, PCM Power Relay Circuit High, P0691, Fan Control Circuit Low. This is IG Garage, your go-to source for car fixes. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.